Bray, I'm ready to see the dogs play this weekend and you play. I'm pumped about it.
Yeah, me too. Dad.
Yeah.
Tell them about that truck right there. Tell them the story of that.
That truck?
Yeah.
That is a story that they need to hear. Long time ago, once upon a time, this F450 was in its stock form. And we had the vision to create something even better. We are the #1 Ford F450 dealership in the entire country, so why not be the #1 accessory store for all your Ford F450 options also. So we took this truck, not necessarily with permission, and voila, our first ever reserve edition was born. It was a huge success. It sold in just 4 days and has brought us so much more F450 business since. And this video online really changed the game as well. And the perfect example is Matthew McKay's 2021 Akins Ford F450 version #2 of the Rapid Red Reserve Edition. I'm here to go over it with you today. Let's go. So Matthew McKay is just another great loyal customer right here at Willies at Akins that saw the video of our first ever reserve edition and wanted to just duplicate it with a twist. So this dream is not possible without you great customers and followers, so thank you so much. Now, the star of the show, let me know what you think. The prior 450, we did a black and rapid red color combo up front, and this one's slightly different. We kept the chrome based on the wheel choice also. This outside border perimeter grille was chrome. We left the chrome bars on your horizontal portions there. We even did not touch the headlights again. We didn't do the mirrors on this one either, but just eliminating some of this chrome around the perimeter really enhances the premiumness and luxuriousness, great appeal of this phenomenal truck. Even did a nice satin black border perimeter there to really tie in with leaving the mirrors and some of your backlit black there also. Truly, we look at every detail on our custom trucks. And that's the makes the biggest difference, y'all. Now come to the side, we are leveled on 37s. Our reserve edition foundation is based on level kit or lift kit. So here we have a 2.5-inch ready lift coil spring level kit replacement with Fox shocks front and rear and stabilizer as well. Truly the right way to do it. Also, this front valence we kept on the first one ever. This one we actually installed a trimmer valence to really aesthetically make the truck look stronger and tougher and more sleek. So really like that. Now we're rolling on American Force 24-inch polished Pulse forged wheels, and this one's polished. It's not the black and milled like the prior. And really, y'all, with this particular wheel and tire combo and this color 450, it's a win-win. Can't make a wrong decision. The black and milled would flow with this as well as the polish. So certain trucks need a black wheel or a black and milled wheel or just a polished wheel. But this Rapid Red, it just is so diverse. It works no matter how you do it. And also, we did not do any side badge work or, as I mentioned, the mirrors, and you don't have to. You can just do some subtle details. You don't have to go seam-alike with the amount of paint that you do to really heighten and enhance the overall aesthetic of the truck. So I think this is a phenomenal truck, y'all. Like, I got chills thinking about how this first truck that we took the risk on, what all it's brought us since then, and then doing another one. I mean, literally, I have chills. This is truly special. This is truly special. I've been waiting for a Rapid Red to come in, and once it came in, the customer was like, that's mine, I want to duplicate. So this is so awesome, y'all. Gotta love it. Thanks so much to our great customers. Coming on down, we removed the FX4 sticker, but let's talk about a deep dish. You know, I'm trying not to eat much pizza, but this deep dish right here got me on fire. So the huge 11-inch lip out back, the pulse polish look is iconic and it's not going away. You know, the black's really popular right now, but a polished or chrome wheel, when done right, still works. It's still amazing. 37, 13.5, 24, Nitto Ridge Grappler hybrid tires. So it's just legit. It is so legit. We did a Pace Edwards power bed locker bed cover as well. That's the way to do it, y'all. Just there's none better than this one for this application. And then this tailgate, oh my gosh, this is it. So we kept the brushed aluminum on the Platinum Super Duty and the top and bottom bar. We duplicated the emblem out back to match. Let me get out the way, but what a phenomenal tail. I mean, if that does not scream just luxury and phenomenalness, if that's even a word, I don't know what does. Remove the texture around your tailgate device there too, did body color. That's a game changer in itself. And just look at our mild to wild scale, bro. Our mild to wild scale, the dually with adapters from American Force, is a great overall setup. As far as the aggressiveness, it's on my mild to wild scale, not so much mild, but leaning in between mid-level and our aggressive side on the wild side, and for good reason. This is a great overall balance. It looks so phenomenal. Let me know what you think about this truck with the comparison, the black wheel and tire combo or this polish. Which one do you like best? The rest we did essentially the same as far as the paint and other areas. Now on the inside, we left it unchanged because the Platinum interior is all there. Lots of great amenities and just a plush riding feeling inside with adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, heated and cooled seats. You've got a nice 360 camera, swivel teeth throughout. Just love the fit and finish and materials of the Ford Super Duty interiors. This one's just a diamond, y'all. This truck is another one for the books for many reasons. Great customer, a tribute to our original Reserve Edition with a slight twist, showing you that you can tweak it a little bit and it still be a hit regardless. So Rapid Red has got to be one of the hottest colors for the Ford F450 and beyond. It just works and looks so great. So again, thank y'all for watching, and our great customers again make this happen, because without you, if you weren't here to see what we've got going on and want to come do business with us and trust in us in your vehicle purchase process throughout, that means everything. So just know that we really are appreciative and we understand that nothing is possible without all you great followers. So again, thanks so much for watching. Real Deal Neal is pumped about this one, y'all. Now you got to stay tuned because we've got a couple that are going to Tennessee, a white and a black, both on Kelderman's. So those are going to be incredible too. So again, y'all, thanks so much. Now all that's left to do is for Real Deal to ride out. The great customer is here for his F450 Rapid Red version 2. Let's go see his reaction. So they approved of the truck, very happy. They love it. Great customers right here at Akins.